Uh, Due to this pandemic, there is a huge change in the business, in our services, which has already been changed into a digital formats. So why not we also make a change to digital format? So now starting thinking with a new change, and this is going to remain now with our life. We look into some important factors that we start our new journey. So these are all the options like online businesses. Okay. So in these online businesses, what all we be able to do? First is the web development. Then web development is what it's like designing a website for your niche or for your any business product. Then we have an affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something like what we sell other people's product. We market other people's product through Facebook, through LinkedIn, with different medias. So that's the affiliate marketing. Then we have a content marketing. Content marketing is like what uh, you need to write a content against any product what you're being selling it. So with the content marketing, your product gets sold, and with that you'll be able to do a good business in that. Then we have a digital marketing on your own platform. Nowadays, we have been publishing our product on Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn, with different medias. So we have been spending a lot of money on that, and we cannot be able to promote our product in a complete full detailed manner. For that, we need to have our own website. If we have our own website, so people will interact with us. They will give us their email ID. With their email ID, you will be able to promote your product to those people. In that manner, you can increase your business in that fashion. Then you have inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Inbound marketing is the same what affiliate marketing products are. You sell any product in India, and also the same product can be sold outside India also. So you can generate revenue internationally as well as nationally. Okay. Then we have search engine marketing. So search engine is the base. It's known as SEO. So this is something that is very much required to rank your product, your website on the Google search engine. Then only people will come to know, and you'll be able to get leads through search engine. That's the on these are the options for online businesses. How do we get these to know how can we get these things? Through learning through a digital marketing. So these are further what are the benefits we can get. Okay, we need to learn digital marketing if we further plan to have our own business and make our own brand in the market, so that we have lots of tools available in the Google search, but we don't know how to start our own business onto digital platform. For that, you need some personal mentor who can guide you the proper steps, and with his help you can grow. What can we all learn from this, and what benefit we get? So from this we able to learn, like you can become a freelance in digital marketing. You can have your own business. Second thing, you have an opportunity, job opportunity in digital marketing. Then you have a content writing. You can write contents for ads for your websites. Nowadays, there are websites which is going to be in the more popular. So for that, the content will be written in English, not only in English, in any languages. So you can master that. And there's a huge demand for content writing also in the business. Then you can create a business profile on Google Business. How you, if there are so many people who doesn't have their business on Google, so so many of them are unaware of this. How you can create a Google business which is without the having your own website also. So for that, this is also another opportunity. If you know a bit how you can create a Google business account, for that, uh, you can charge around 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 rupees, and you can manage his account also. So in that Google business, you will get all the reports, whatever required, how many people have been visited, who all people calls you have got from that account. The next is creating your own brand. So if you have a niche which you want to make it as a brand, so this is another option if you learn into digital marketing. And the last is, if anyone is interested, if anyone is interested to join digital marketing career, joining the class with some amount, and the same amount 100% you get a refund. Okay, I will show you the way how to go, but I will not be able to teach you. We are here to help you how you can go, what you can do, and but will not be able to teach you. uh, we can support in any manner you want. Any support is there, we are there, and we'll be able to help you in that manner anytime. And uh, I'll put a message on a chat box where I'll put my ID on a chat box, or you can note down my number. It's 9819387939. You can message me. So we'll try to create a group against this, and we'll further help you out how we can go about it. Okay. Thank you. If anybody has any questions,